Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Pick the folder location and confirm you can create items there. On Windows, create a new folder and begin renaming it. On Mac OS or Linux, open Terminal if you prefer command line control. Make sure numlock is enabled on Windows. On Mac OS, make sure you can paste special characters. Once ready, the next step is to produce an invisible character for the name. That's the trick. Follow the platform-specific keystrokes or commands I'll show next. Now you perform the precise rename. On Windows, rename the folder, hold Alt and type 0160 on the numeric keypad, then press Enter. That inserts a non-breaking space character so the name looks blank. Once done on Mac OS, click Rename and press Option plus space or run mkdir $U00A0 in Terminal. That creates a non-breaking space too. On Linux, use mkdir $U200B to create a zero width. Finish by confirming the folder exists. Use File Explorer or list it with dir or ls to see the invisible entry. If you need to delete or rename, reference the same invisible character in quotes from Terminal or use the GUI selection and press Delete. If creation fails, make sure you use the right input method, numlock, or try alternate invisible characters like non-breaking space versus zero-width space. Finally, make sure permissions aren't blocking you. Escalate with admin or sudo when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.